In this video we're going to explain how you convert the Turbo Edge from its standard Dualflush format to a monoflush format. Now in order to do this you're going to need to ensure you have the monoflush washer already fitted on the side of the siphon. This is fitted by us as standard at the factory in the UK, and you're going to need to be able to remove the blue sections of the siphon. In order to do that, pull the yellow pin. Remember, it's a captive yellow pin, you don't need to fully remove it. Then take the spillover section off and take the up leg section off. You're then going to need to take the C-link off in order to access the piston assembly inside. Note how the O-ring sits at the bottom and the washer on top, because you're going to need to reassemble this later. With the C-link, O-ring and washer now removed, you can remove the up leg assembly to reveal this washer on top of the piston rod. That washer is what governs the Dualflush mechanism. So all you need to do is take your monoflush washer, change it over and fit on top of the spring as so, and then reassemble like so. Remember now to put your O-ring on first and then the washer, followed by the C-link. With the up leg assembly now complete, you simply place the down leg onto the up leg. Remember that this lug must fit onto this lug here. Slide on and then put your spillover section back on and push the pin back into place. Remember that your wavy line on the yellow pin is to set against the water line of your system as detailed in our other video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did find it useful and you have any more questions, please put a comment in the comments section. Otherwise, do subscribe as we load more videos in the future.